River City was constructed between 1983 and 1985, and it was designed by the architect Bertrand Goldberg. I think the concept of the city within a city and the idea of live, work, and play make it unique. I'm Nancy Carrion. I was originally an intern during the development of River City, and I was hired to oversee the design and construction of the restoration of River City.
River City has such a strong presence on the river. It's so memorable and such an important part of Chicago's skyline. I'm Devin Wegman. I'm the owner and creative director of Devin Grace Interiors. And I worked on the River City project to help just bring life back into the units and get them ready for its new chapter. I think it's really relevant today, this kind of live, work, play, all of these elements combining in one building. The fact that the team is bringing this back to life and giving it another chance, I think is what was really exciting about the project. Residents are going to walk into the space and see an open, spacious floor plan with upgraded kitchens, in-unit laundry. Everything is going to feel modern and sleek. We just wanted to kind of honor Bertrand's original vision for the building and these brutalist but natural elements. Just make it more modern for today's demographic.
There's a lot of amenity spaces that are designed to be utilized by residents. Garden, roof, and sun deck areas. And then private grill areas where you could bring your friends and have your own party out on the deck. The Riverwalk will be extended and join up with River City and is a great amenity for the residents. He created the serpentine shape to follow the flow of the Chicago River, which was a very important element in the design concept for River City.
One really unique aspect of the building is that Bertrand mimicked a European streetscape and brought the exterior into the building with this 12-story atrium that connects all of the units. Whether it was his original vision of farmers markets and vendors, or today just having community spaces to go work and sip a coffee with your friends, it's just a really unique element that no other building in Chicago has. River City is a really accessible building. It's an ideal location for people who work anywhere downtown. It's a really exciting time to move into the South Loop.
Residents will come home to a renewed River City, one that's energetic, vibrant, and fun to come home to. River City has withstood the test of time, and we're thrilled to bring a new chapter to the building.